Hi everyone, welcome to ecomback.com. Today we are going to teach you that how you can add products, simple products in Magento 2. So first of all, you will click on catalog and products. You will come to this page. You click on add product, simple product. Over here you can see if you have any attribute sets, you can select it here, otherwise you have default, so I just leave it blank. And if you have like a Google product category, you can basically if you're listing the product directly to Google, then you can select under what business you want to list that. Next thing is the product name, so I will just use that is a test product name. And SKU, you can use anything like test 1 2 3. Price, it can be any price. I'll just write £10. And if you have like advanced pricing, for example, if your special price is £8, so, and if you have a product on sale, so for example it's 23rd February 2022 till 28th February is on £8, so that's actual price is £10 and it's sale £8. And if you have like a tier pricing, for example, you say price for 1 till 10 is you have different groups. For example, you have the different price for wholesale, so you can simply select the wholesale group and you can tell, okay, for 10 products you will get for £5, so £5 each, so that will be £50 for 10 products. So that option you can do in the advanced pricing. I'm just going to delete that for now. So next thing is if its product is taxable or not, you can select that. And quantity, I just like one product. If it's in stock, select in stock. And if your product is weight is basically calculating on the checkout according to shipping, then you can update the weight over here. It can be in pounds, so I've just like 20 pounds. And item has weight, yes, it does have weight because I need to calculate that on the checkout. The categories, you can select under what category you want to do that. So I'm just going to select in baby girl hand smoked. And you can see visibilities, catalog search. So I'm just catalog and search. Set product from, if it's a new product, you can have that on the home page, on top of the page. You can select the date. So I'll just take 23 till 28th. And if it's, you have any manufacturing country, you can select like United Kingdom. If it's any colors, these are the attributes, so we don't need them for now, so we just ignore that. Now next thing is the images and videos. So if you want to upload a picture, you simply click on browse and you can basically upload any picture from there. So I just selected this picture from the, and if you want to add more pictures, you can simply upload that more pictures from here, and you can even add a video if you like. And if it's a content, like the information, so we can have like information that you want to upload that over here. You can just type anything, suspicion test large. You can have like a short description and a long description as well. And that's how you can update the description. The short description is basically you have a description on the right, some in design sometimes you have description on the right hand side of the product, and a long description is basically a detailed description. You have the middle page of the product, so it's entirely according to your design and the developer, but it's better to have the both information in the design. It also helps in your SEO. Search engine optimization, you have the product URL, meta information, keywords, and all the stuff. You can add that over here for the product. And if if you have any cross sell, any related products, so you can simply add the related products from here, and you will get existing products using that feature. So if there's any product you want to link that, you can simply select the product you want to link. I'm just going to select this one, okay, and add like the product. Same thing with the upsell and cross sell, you can do that. Customizable options, so we basically have the, let's say option name is color, so we see drop down and say blue. Price, we just leave it blank because if the color, we are not going to charge any extra price on that. SKU, you can add the SKU, whatever SKU you want. If you want to manage the stock for this product for this particular color, you can do that as well. And if you want to upload the picture of this color, you can upload the picture from here. And there are different options, because there's like, you know, sometimes the default options don't have that, so you might need to buy an extension for that. So we have the MageWorks extension there for the purpose, because client want to control the quantity, so we have this extension installed. Now you can add another option there. You can say is size, and drop down menu, and you can say, okay, I want to add like a large size. So for them, the product price we kept is like $1, right? And sorry, £5, £10. So if we want to add a price, let's say I just add a price, there's £2 difference for the large size, so I just add 2 there. So the product, it will automatically add the price of the product, the extra price of the product. And then you have like, you know, these options there. So you can simply save that, and you can, you know, look it at the website, and it should be working fine. So that's how you can add a simple products in Magento 2. If you have any question, please email us at sales@ecomback.com, or you can leave us a comment and we will get back to you. Thank you.